People are not fools. People can tell when you're lying. Before you tell me, Angel, I don't lie, listen to me for a second. People are not fools. People can tell when what you post doesn't reflect reality. By the way, if this is the first time you and I are meeting, hi, my name is Angel Anderson, and the videos I upload and share all are about marketing for the most part, experiences, lessons learned, things that I see through my marketing lens. And today, my aim is to help you improve the reality of what you're saying. And you might not be lying intentionally, but here's where I'm coming from. What you post on social media might be, let's say, sales. Because let's face it, you have to keep the lights on. You have to make more sales. But when people ask you or people talk to you, whether it's in person or social media, what you are saying is something else. You're saying, I want to help people. But your posts are all about buy my stuff. It's not about helping or motivating or helping your audience. And I'm not saying help your audience so you can improve your reality. What I'm saying is have a clear understanding of, first of all, what is your marketing goal? And you decide that goal after you create a marketing plan. And then you want to choose the right approach. And once you pick the right approach, you say, okay, what is that I'm trying to achieve? Again, because, hey, you got to sell, you got to keep the lights on. But for the most part, when you're starting out, whether you are a lawyer, a doctor, a fast food restaurant, you want people to know, more people to know what is that you do. So it's safe to say that awareness is, whether you're starting out or you want to reset your marketing, is the right approach for that, for marketing. So let's say you want to create awareness. Then you say, okay, how I'm going to create awareness and what I'm going to say that match my reality. How can you match your reality? Through what people have said on video testimonials, and you capture that, what they say about you, the perception of the public, that's what people believe. You can also ask on social media, hey, how would you describe me? And that's what the message you want to start using. Or now it's an awakening, then you have the data, some information to start adjusting and closing that reality, how other people see you and how you want to be seen. The second step is working on your image. So for example, do you need to dress a specific way? Do you need to have a jacket? You need to have a tie? Or do you want to communicate that you're a professional all the time? What is the image what is the image you wanted to paint in people's mind about you? And it's not just about dressing. Your website needs to match your image, your social media covers, the picture that you share about yourself on social media. They must match that reality, how you want people to see you. Because let's face it, we all judge. You judge people, I judge people. Even if we believe judging is wrong, we all do it at any given time. With that in mind, now that we can agree on that, how you want other people to judge you? What is the label you want them to put on you? So what you say and the image they have about you needs to match reality, needs to be what you want them to say. The last thing you want to plan, so the first one is the approach, in this case, we're going to do awareness, then the image that you want them to see. And last one, how you're going to create excitement. What promotions can you use to separate yourself from the crowd? And if you see it on just those simple 3 steps, you will improve how other people see you, how you want them to perceive you, and that reality gap will close. If you found this information helpful, let me know in the comments. Now it's your turn to help a friend. Somebody, share this video with a friend, somebody that can use this information to improve their reality, their business, their image. A business owner of any kind. By the way, my friend, I hope you're having a fantastic day, the best day ever. See you in the next video. Peace out.